What seemed like an inconceivable venture at first now surprises everyone by living up to its billing. The Hindustan Lever Factory at Dumduma is a 50 crore project set up in the midst of HLL plantations, about 65 kilometers east of Dibrugarh. The factory was conceived and executed in 180 days flat, undeterred by the lack of infrastructure in the area. Operations kicked off with facilities for the manufacture of shampoo and cream in July 2001. The plant was commissioned in August. Phase 2 of the construction began in September of the same year, with additional facilities being set up for the manufacture of shampoo, cream, talc, and toothpaste. Over 15 variants and pack sizes of these products are currently being manufactured, using machinery customized to reduce labor-intensive operations. The installed capacity of the factory is 35,000 tons of shampoo, cream, talc, and toothpaste.
In line with the company philosophy of improving the plant design with every new factory, Dumduma factory has state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities and modern equipment. We have made a conscious effort to reduce the labor-intensive operations.
The factory has provided employment to around 500 people. The average age of an employee here is 22. Like all HLL undertakings, product safety and hygiene are of primary concern here. All employees undergo training on safety. The equipment is user-friendly to the trained personnel, and the operators are well equipped to troubleshoot. More crucial to the Assam chapter of HLL operations, however, is the fact that all these operations are environment friendly. Situated amidst tea gardens, additional defenses are built to protect the environment. Natural gas is used as fuel to minimize pollution. To reduce risks of solid waste handling and disposal, bulk handling is implemented for talc, and the same is being extended for sorbitol and SLES. All operations here are underscored by a world-class effluent treatment plant, which makes this a zero effluent discharge site.
Since all the employees are the first generation workmen, skill and industrial culture building are the major activities focused by the HR department. The other important challenge for the HR department is to establish the healthy relationship with the outside environment, for whom setting up HUL Factory is first of its kind in this area.
The operating philosophy of safety, quality and delivery form part of the focus area of the operations team. There is an excellent laboratory for the purpose of quality control. Within a very short period of time, the factory has reached quality levels on par with other personal products factories.
The technical knowledge base within personal products has been thoroughly exploited, and this is reflected in the design of the plant and equipment. This, along with close coordination with the projects team, has resulted in significant compression of the plant commissioning and stabilization time.
Key challenge for the manufacturing team was vertical startup of the factory. This involved detailed planning at the installation and commissioning stage of the equipments. Within a span of 10 months, we reached the OE levels of 70%. This significant achievement was possible due to focused efforts on training and development of new joinees.
Movement of raw material and packaging material into Assam was a major challenge, which has been overcome by the innovative use of Indian Railways for the purpose of logistics. Today, more than half the material is transported by train, which has effectively lowered the transit time by 12 to 15 days. Sourcing of packing materials from various parts of the country was further simplified by encouraging local vendors. A number of local suppliers have been developed for packing materials like bottles, caps, CLTs, etc. The aim is to make 100% localization of packaging materials happen by June next year.
Local vendor development, proactive planning and buying, and close monitoring of in-transit movements have led to a dramatic reduction in the stock out levels from over 10% in the first half to less than 1% of the available time. This has aided the vertical scale-up in operations, overcoming the hurdles of transport strikes, floods, and bunds.
From a small experimental site, Dumduma factory has grown to be one of the most important factories of Hindustan Lever, a fact reflected by the NPS and track-on numbers contributed by the factory to the company. The success in Phase 1 and Phase 2 has inspired the setting up of a toothpaste factory with an installed capacity of 20,000 tons per annum. The project activities are underway, and this facility is likely to come up by March 2003. This will make the Dumduma factory the largest HLL factory in terms of top line and bottom line contribution, and will be one of the largest personal products factories of the Unilever world.